Hi there, Jonathan. My name is Marcy, and I was speaking with Gwen, and she said that you were the best one to send this video to and record this video for. Now, I'm going to keep it short, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 3 things that you could do today to start bringing in more business to your company. And the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, backlinks, and citations. So by content, I mean I'm taking a look at your website here. The search term that I used where I found you was kitchen cabinets. Looking through your website here, you got a nice clean website. When I say content, it's meaning the information that you've got on the home page here throughout your website, but very importantly on the home page. The pictures, the words. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on a website's homepage. You see, when somebody types in whatever search term it is that they're looking for, they're going to go out and crawl the web, and they want to serve up the most relevant results. So you can see that, and in saying that, this is definitely one of the most neglected parts of building a website in regards to ranking your website and having it showing up. Best case scenario, first page of Google. And the reason how sites get there is by being an authority in whatever it is that the person is searching for. So for an example, you can see there's not a lot of content words on your homepage. So Google goes out to crawl the web. They see one site that has 50, 75 words, and then the one next to it's got 1,500. They're going to see the one with the 1,500 words of content as being the expert in the industry, and they're going to therefore put that site higher up on the search results when somebody's searching for it. So the nice thing about it is that it's easy to beat competitors because everybody's pretty weak. So for an example here, this picture, when I click on it, I see that it is saved as La Plus Quinta -13. Now that means probably nothing in regards to what the searcher is searching for. So here's a missed opportunity. These pictures, when they're added to the site, can be named with the keywords Thomas and Birch. At least that one has your business name, but it's still, if you're looking for new customers, they wouldn't be typing Thomas and Birch into the browser. So that's content, very important. Now, next thing I'm going to talk about is backlinks, and what a backlink is quickly is that it's a link from a third-party site coming into your site. The internet's like a big popularity contest, so when other sites vote for you, aka give you a link back to your site, it in turn moves your site up through the search engine. So I'm going to put your site into a tool that shows us what's going on in behind, but first thing what I did is I went into the search and look down here to see who's ranking on the first page. Again, the good news is when you do a search and then you've got IKEA and Rona and Home Depot, I mean, they like to put local businesses to Victoria. That's what they like to put there if the power is there, if the things are done for them to be able to, find you and perceive you as the expert in the market. The first comparable, because this is a dealer here, the first comparable one that I could see to your business as the same was the Harbor City Kitchens. They are the last one on the first page, and then we got the bottom bits of paid ads. So definitely there's room for improvement and to be able to have your ranking on the first page there. So looking in behind, back to the backlinks, and not all backlinks are created equal. They need to be coming from sites that Google trusts. They need to be relevant. There's the whole art to it. But what it shows me is that you have 23 other websites on the internet that are referring back to your site. You're being found for 62 words, and that your site organically, so not through paid ads or anything, but somebody just through finding it on the search. And as you can see, you weren't on the first page there. 4 visitors were brought to your site. Now, comparing it to that site that is appearing on the first page, you can see they've got 36 backlinks. Let's go back. Giving them 36 referring domains, giving them 190 backlinks, being fined for 53, but they had 322, roughly approximate. These are ballpark numbers, visitors to their site. So you know, it is important that being on the first page of the Google search is definitely pays off. So there's your backlinks, and then the third thing I'm going to talk about is citations. Now you're doing good in that department, as far as I can see, at least for this search term. What a citation is it's a place on the internet where you're going to find your business name, address, and phone number. This map listing is an example of a citation because it has your name, address, and phone number, and this is a great place to be. So awesome that you're sitting up there. The more citations you have, now I haven't looked yet, I set the search and it was spinning before I started this video, but let's take a look. I put a citation, local citation finder, and I put in the same term, kitchen cabinets, and there you are. See, it explains, like, you're up here in the top businesses. Who else was in there? Innovative and the kitchen technician. Innovative and the kitchen technician. So like 99 out of 100 searches when I do like this, it'll always happen. Those top 3 that are showing up are also showing up top businesses here for the citation finder. So to ensure that you're going to stay there, you just want to make sure that you get as many, get your business listed in many directories. Again, it all has to do with Google is out and crawls the web when somebody searches, and when they see you listed all over the place, then that lends credibility to your business in the way of your internet exposure. So hopefully that has helped out to help you to understand how this goes and given you a few tips. Go ahead and use these tips. That citation finder was called White Spark. And if you dig in there, you can see all the places where your competitors are listed. And if you're not listed in them, you can get your business listed in there as well. But the big one, I would say that there's definitely room for work on your content, to add some content to your website and get build your backlink profile some. And you're going to get your site in front of more of your potential customers' eyes. Thank you. I will email this off and follow up over the course of the next few days, week or so, just to make sure that you did in fact receive it and got a chance to watch. Thanks, Jonathan.